So ito yung binigay ni ma'am na problem natin. Ito. Kukunin natin yung exact niya or i-prove natin yung exact. So, sa unang equation ito yung magiging m natin and ito yung magiging n natin. So, the first step, kunin muna natin yung kanya, yung exact niya para ma-prove natin. So, del m is equal to del y kasi x siya, magiging y siya, is equal to 4xy and then del n over del x is equal to 4xy. Kaya ito, masasabi na natin exact siya. Ito magiging exact na siya. So, after that, we will get the exist function. So that the partial function of del x is equal to 2x y squared minus 4 dahil dito. And the partial function of del y is equal to 2x squared y plus 3 kasi ito siya. After that, pili tayo dito sa dalawa kung ano yung gusto natin na gamitin. Ito yung napili natin. Ito. So the f of x and y is equal to x squared y squared minus 4x. Bakit nakuha natin tong x squared and y squared minus 4? Kasi i-integrate na natin siya. Ibababa to. Kaya makakancel out siya at parang magdi-distributive siya. So, plus g of y. So, del function or the del partial function of del y is equal to 2x squared y plus gy is equal to 2x squared y plus 3. So, eto, pagtapos ito, okay na dito. So, dito naman yung kukunin natin. Ito, g prime of y is equal to 3. After nito, integrate na natin to. After natin integrate, ito na yung makukuha natin. G of y is equal to 3y. So, after that, parang magsasubstitute na tayo. Ito, f of x and y is equal to x squared y squared minus 4x plus 3y. Pero hindi pa ito yung final answer natin. Parang magkuhan pa tayo ng x or the c. X squared y squared minus 4x plus 3y plus c. Ito yung final answer natin. Ganun lang yung pag-solve natin ng exact. Ganun lang kadali. 4x plus 3y. Pero hindi pa ito yung final answer natin. Isusulat na natin ulit ito ng x squared y squared minus 4x plus 3y plus c. Ito na yung magiging final answer natin sa exact. Ito na siya. Wait lang. I-reduce lang. Ilang minuto yun?
2 minutes and 34 seconds.